loves, welcome back to TT's Urban Pantry. I am in the middle of canning some pears. I have here a 6-pound bag of pears from Costco. Never canned pears before. I don't even eat pears, so this is definitely a learning experience. But I peeled the skin off of 9 of them, and there's 3 left. You're probably like, why didn't you just eat the rest of them? Why didn't you just finish the rest of them? Because I was tired of it. I was done with the pears at that point. So I peeled the skin, the peel off of 9 of them, and then took the core out of all of them, and half of them I sliced up into these little slices, and the other half I cubed up. And then I have a bowl of warm water with some lemon juice to keep them from browning. I'm working on my peeled pears first. And what I'm doing is putting them in some hot water. It was boiling, but I turned it off. Put the pears in there. And then I am dipping them or putting them in my jar. I also have here a pot of apple juice, and this is Kirkland brand from concentrate apple juice. The only ingredients is apples, so no sugar added to that. And that's going to be the hot liquid that I can the pears in, along with the cinnamon stick in each one. For shorter ones that I know will fit down in the jar. So I have here hot pears, hot liquid apple juice. They're going to get water bath canned. Aren't those adorable? And please pardon the sound of the dehydrator in the background. I've got a busy weekend. But look at those. So I got 3 of the sliced and 3 of the diced pears. Each of them have apple juice and a cinnamon stick in them. And I let them process for 20 minutes. Thank you for watching.